guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Wiser. Today I'm going to teach you how to use a stopwatch on iPhone. It's used in day-to-day tasks such as running a 100-meter sprint, measuring how long does it take to cook your food, or even helpful in performing scientific experiment. In order to use a stopwatch on your iPhone, all you need to do is to click on the clock app. This is the home page of the clock. In this case, you want to click on Stopwatch, which is the third icon on the left. Once you're on the Stopwatch page, you can click on Start to start the stopwatch. You can also tap on lap to see how long does it take for you to finish a lap. Once you're done, you can click Stop. On the bottom, you can see how long does it take for you to finish each lap. If you want to start a new stopwatch timer, you can click on Reset. There are two versions of the stopwatch faces. This is the digital version. If you prefer an analog version, you can swipe to the left. Or you can tap on the second dot in the middle of your screen. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to drop a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you like it. I really appreciate it. Have a nice day.